a cartridge. I didn't get the TV tuner. I wanted to, but I didn't. So instead of putting your game in, you would put the TV tuner in the cartridge and you could watch TV on it. Pick up little airwaves and stuff like that. One of the things it had was a battery pack. Because of the complaints, they created a battery pack for it, which was not much better, unfortunately. So my problem I ran into today was every time I attached the power pack, it would not work. So I can run it on battery power. What else was there? In 1994, there was a blue GameGear released, and it came with the game Lion King.
It's funny because I was talking about that one.
What's that?
It's funny because I was talking about that when you were up there.
Yeah. I was like, Minecraft things, and I was like, Minecraft has a meaning. Like, no, Lion King doesn't. And she starts
So,
singing the song.
just a few of the games I had. Like I said, they were 8-bit games.
I wonder if you ever get that one.
So I've got 3 games here. One of the popular ones.
Sick. Oh,
I
it's
turn off the
white
light.
screen. Darn it. Hate it when it does that.
Give me a second. The good old cartridge.
Yeah, that's why I had to do my iPad thing, because I dropped water all over. We have to do that with our DVD player.
Smell
We
it.
got a Blu-ray player.
Oh,
so
oh, here we go.
more.
Oh, here we go. Shh.
So, actually I can put earphones in and you can hear it.
Oh,
It's,
that's
it's
like
not that loud.
so good, because every single one of their games did it.
That's
the one.
Sonic 2!
The one with the invincible level. The unbeatable level.
So,
Oh my god.
Woo! Sorry.
Underground Zone 1. Ooh, I remember this.
Yeah.
Oh, I remember this. Oh, I remember this.
It was nothing like the one on the Genesis though, even though they had like the same name.
Could I play?
oops. I'm playing upside down, that's not fair.
I'd say I.
Then why don't you play normal? And then you just look over your shoulder.
Oh wow, you're recording it with me. That's awesome.
Alex, what are you doing?
Lyle,
I'm already
But I
recording.
said it's nothing like the Sonic 2 on
Oop.
the Genesis though.
Careful, you're gonna lose a life here.
No, as long as I keep getting my coins, I'll live.
Rings! So I just
Rings.
keep getting...
Coins
is Mario.
This is.
Yeah, whenever I play Mario with my friends, I'm like,
Oh,
no!
you're gonna die. Oh, you died. Could I try? It's been so long since I've played mine.
So,
Can I,
yeah.
can I hold it? I've never actually like seen one in real life.